Removing OEM Lexus IS350 spoiler. First you need to remove plastic clips from liner. This clip tool makes it easy. Cost like $5 on Amazon. Gently get tool under plastic clip and pry it out. Carefully pull liner. Make sure it don't catch on latches. Locate to B-nuts. You need 10mm socket. Best is to remove with extension. Same thing for other side, total of 2 B-nuts. Now you need to remove old sticky tape under spoiler. Best is done with spatula, set cost like $6. Be very careful to get under spoiler. Even though it's plastic spatula, it can easily scratch your paint. Clean old sealant, tape area. Remove hardware from new spoiler. You will need for B-nuts with washers, other two will be exposed studs due to hard access without removing light acid. You need to install waterproof or cushion tape or whatever they provided. Don't have to be perfect. I also removed middle plastic inserts. We will be attaching that with our hardware instead. Use double-sided tape for extra security and ease of installation. Careful align bolts with 6 holes, and since we installed tape it should hold on while we go into thread nuts underneath. Tighten for nuts. The other two will be just in plastic inserts. I didn't want to remove light to get access. 4 bolts and tape should hold it good. And last step is to secure liner with clips. Just push them in.